Hey, whoever called in tomorrow, they're gonna treat us some lunch.
Eddie, you're already sweating, Eddie.
Not yet. A little bit.
Hey, I'm already sweating. Let's go home.
Everybody. Yeah. We're all going to call in. We're going to say attention. We don't like your attitude.
Uh-oh. Hey, it's in the video.
We don't like your attitude.
You know, this morning when I was like about to take a shower, I actually was started listening to Shanta.
Some music?
I was laughing the whole time.
No, but yeah,
I don't give a shit.
he's been taking time off so he can work in his music. He's getting more your boy is getting more moody, man.
Who? Oh.
Man, I know that's your boy. He needs to chill out, sir.
Now we're getting more and more and more. Hey guys, you guys need to introduce yourself. Oh, look at this lady. Look, she has more colorful.
Yeah. Carmen can never get lost, huh?
Yeah, she has a nice hat.
Yeah.
She's wearing a blue jacket. Nice hat, nice hat. She has a nice jacket right there, blue. And then she got a nice, what is that, pants? Jogging pants. Right there. And then that guy, lefty.
Lefty looks skinny on those shirts.
Hey, don't go right.
Lefty, we don't want to freaking look for you on the thing.
And that's your left too. Whoa! Look at Eddie. He almost run. Oh my God.
Yeah, freaking squall, man. Yeah.
Eddie, Ed.
We got the basketball players here, so you guys have to be in shape, man.
Let's go home. Hey, break time.
Let's take a 30-minute break.
Hey, 15-minute break. 15 minutes break.
Yeah. Albert, let's take the first break.
I need a 15 minutes break.
Yeah.
Eddie, you need a 15-minute break or what?
I need a 30 minutes.